Today, Friday, June 15th, the 2nd Regiment Advanced Camp Cadets developed their Standard Operation Procedures, SOPs, in preparation for their upcoming field training. Some cadets were happy to explain what exactly this means, what they are doing, as well as why they are doing it.
So right now we're preparing to go on our first FTX at AO Wolverine. So out here we've been preparing, doing some platoon and squad level training. And then, so right now you see like I have face paint on, we're going over that, and then also just tactics.
Our face paint, yeah, we have to reapply it every morning actually, because when we sleep we'll rub it off a little bit, or really just anytime, just every morning. It's a part of our hygiene. And sometime during the day we'll be getting our ammo, our blanks, for our missions that are coming up.
So we were running through our machine gun team drills. Basically, when we come into enemy contact during our FTXs, we don't want to be frozen trying to think, oh, what should we do in that situation? We want to train and train and train and put those reps in so that once we come into, our situations where we come under fire, we instantly snap to our feet and know what to do without any moment's hesitation.
Our rucks, we have anything from our uniform, extra boots, socks, shirt, anything we really need. Our rifles are part of it, water, camelback. There's a lot that goes in there.
Right now I'm feeling pretty great. The weather's not looking good whatsoever. So hopefully we can keep the morale up as we're getting drenched in rain. I'm excited to see how it's going to hold out and see how our platoon's going to handle each other when we're all irritated and wanting to go home.
This has been Kelsea Swafford with the Cadet Summer Training Public Affairs Office.